When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
Probably like last week.
Last week?
Yeah,
Do I look like I'm dumb and just started doing this job?
No.
Then quit lying to me. I'm not going to play games with you. You've done caused a wreck because you ran out of gas.
I mean, I didn't realize I was going to run out of gas. Like,
well, if you weren't smoking pot, you might.
I mean, I wasn't smoking.
You reek of marijuana right now, dude.
I mean, I was around people that were smoking, but...
Your car reeks of marijuana, dude. Your eyes are dilated. When was the last time you smoked?
I told you, last week.
And you're full of crap, too. I ought to take you to jail right now. Does that sound like fun?
No, it doesn't.
Well, then quit lying to me. I'm getting ready to search your car. Is there anything in the vehicle I need to know about?
No, I haven't smoked marijuana in like a week.
Well, we're going to find out in a minute. Step right back out of the front bumper of my car. You care to keep an eye on him, Wade? .140 control. Where's your keys? What was your traffic? I'm sorry.
They couldn't get a oil back. I'll get his stuff. Try to find it. What's your full name?
Logan Jacob Cotton.
10-4, stand by. 42 will get it to you in just a second. All right. You want to change your story on how long it's been since you smoked?
A week ago.
Bull crap. You smoked within the last couple hours. In your car. You got shake all over the car, dude. You got your guts for your Rillos all over the car, dude.
I've been smoking my car all today.
Okay. Well, we're going to run you through some tests to find out.
Okay.
Put the blanket down. Stand right over there.
Out of Indiana.
Hey, man.
Valid?
Yeah.
Have them attach it to the CAD, please. All right, first thing I want you to do is I want you to take a step forward, 1 step. I want you to put your feet together with your hands down to your side. I want you to stand just like that. See the end of my finger? Move your hair out of your face. Take the hood off your head. You see my finger?
Yep.
Follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Keep it directly pointed straight at me. Don't turn your head. Keep it pointed straight at me.
All right.
Quit turning your head. Keep it pointed straight at me. Okay. Next test we're going to do is a 1-leg stand. Do you have any type of balance issue? Stand just like you were.
Okay.
Turn back like you were. Do not move from that position until I tell you to move from that position.
Okay.
Put your feet together with your hands down to your side. Do you have any issues with balance or your knees that would prevent you from standing on 1 leg?
I mean, my left leg, it's kind of hard for me to stand up.
Okay, well then you can use your other leg, okay? I'm going to demonstrate the test. This is what you're going to do. You're going to stand with your hands down to your side, your feet touching. You're going to lift 1 foot of your choosing off the ground approximately 6 inches. You're going to keep your toe pointed forward, and you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003. You're going to continue on to 1030, or until I tell you to stop. This is what the test is going to look like. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. You're going to continue on to 1030 or until I tell you to stop. You're going to look at your toe the whole time you're counting out loud. Do you understand the instructions? Okay. When I tell you to begin, you can begin the test. Begin. Okay, stop. All right, the next test we're going to do is walk and turn, okay? You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward, 9 heel-to-toe steps back. I'm going to demonstrate how it's conducted. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to place your right foot in front of your left with your heel touching your toe, just like so. I want you to take this position with your hands down to your side, assume this position, and I want you to maintain that position until I tell you to begin, okay? This is what the test is going to look like. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down. Using a series of small steps, you're going to turn yourself around and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to continue to 9. Once you reach 9, you're going to keep your front foot planted and take a series of small steps to turn yourself around. You're going to begin again. 1, 2, 3. Continue on to 9 until you're back at your beginning position. Do you understand the instructions as I've given them to you?
Yes, sir.
You may begin the test when you're ready. Okay. Go ahead, turn around, put your hands behind your back. This time you're being placed under arrest for operating a motor vehicle under the influence. Based on the test that I conducted, I believe you to be impaired by the consumption of an illegal substance. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, hurt me in any way?
No.
140 control.
Anything on you for me to know about?
No.
Go ahead, show me 1015, one male, and start me next on list this location, please.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is. Boy, you ain't helping your cause none, that's for sure. All right. I'll walk back here. Have a seat.
Oh, that driver's license. Oh.
Right. You care to stand by with a car? I think it reeks of marijuana.
Yeah, so does this.
140.
A little bit in it or something.
That's the keys to the car.
I'll throw this in there, you know.
Clear. Record's gonna be Hazelwood's, bud. .140 control. Indiana handicap when you can copy. David 968 Boy Charles. Repeating, David 968 Boy Charles. If you would attach that to the CAD along with the subject's OL. Thanks, Bubba. .140 control.
Go ahead.
Show me 1015, one male. Route the Methodist. If you would, change this to a 75.
So, what's happening to the car?
It's going to be towed.
I mean, it's my grandma's. Pick it up.
Not at this point, no. It's in the middle of my bridge.
Well, where's it going to be going?
I'll let you know that in a little bit. .140, 136.
136 getting ready to pull out of Methodist.
Do you have a blood kit?
Traffic, DUI.
Give me 1 second to look for it, and I'll let you know.
Clear. All right, here's the deal. We're going up to the hospital
140, that's negative.
to
Signal 4 to get 136 control.
do a blood draw.
136.
Show me en route, perfect. Disregard that. Show me F rank and put me on 140 scan and I'll be en route to Signal 4.
I'm sorry?
Can I decline the blood draw?
You can refuse if you want to, yes. 140 control.
140.
Can you have 42 look on top of that subject's vehicle and see if I left my campaign up there?
Clear.
I copy, direct copy it.
04. Control to 140.
Go ahead. Are you going to refuse the test? Is that what you're saying?
What happens if I refuse it?
I can't offer legal advice. All I can do is ask you if you're going to take the test or not, which I've got a full paper that I'm going to read to you, so just hold tight.
Okay.
.46 control. 46. D David. 10-4.
Do you have my phone and stuff?
Yep.
So, am I going to jail?
Yes.
Will it just be overnight?
That'll be up to whether or not you can bond out.
Or you know how to bond with you?
Jail will be able to tell you that.
Okay.
64 control. 64. D David. 10-4. 64 control. 64. I'm being around the break. 10-4. Bring out 956 control.
Nothing.
You can show us plan available, one patient refusal, close call.
10-4.
140 control.
1.
Arriving Methodist.
Clear.
At location/area. Marshall Islands.
Whoops.
One 36, 140.
Go ahead.
I'll be en route to you, but
I'm clear. All right, Logan. I'm gonna read this to you real quick. I will be requesting that you submit to a test of your breath, blood, or urine, or any combination of these tests. If you refuse to submit to any test which I request, the fact of your refusal may be used against you in court as evidence of your violation of KRS 189A.010 DUI and will result in revocation of your driver's license. If you refuse to submit to the test and are subsequently convicted of KRS 189A.010 subsection 1, your refusal will subject you to a mandatory minimum jail sentence, which is twice as long as the mandatory minimum jail sentence that would be imposed if you submit to all requested tests. Also, if you refuse to submit to the test, your license will be suspended by the court at the time of your arraignment, and you will be unable to obtain an ignition interlock license during the suspension period. If you take the test, the results of the test may be used against you in court as evidence of your violation of KRS 189A.010 subsection 1, and although your license will be suspended, you may be eligible immediately for ignition interlock license, allowing you to drive during the period of suspension. And if you are convicted, you will receive a credit toward any other ignition interlock requirement arising from this arrest. If you first submit to the requested alcohol and substance test, you have the right to have a test or test of your blood performed by a physician, registered nurse, phlebotomist, medical technician, or medical technologist not otherwise prohibited by law of your choosing within a reasonable time of your arrest at your expense. Do you acknowledge that the implied consent warning was read to you?
Yes.
Okay, you have at least 10 minutes, but not more than 15 minutes to attempt to communicate with an attorney. Do you wish to attempt to contact an attorney at this time?
If I can get a hold of one,
Do you have one on call?
possibly.
Well, I'll give you your phone. You're more than welcome to try. Time is 19:45 hours. Step out. I'll take the handcuffs off of you. If you try anything funny, you will be tased. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now.
Of course. I respect you.
Turn around and face my car. When you get on your phone, you are to contact attorneys only.
Okay.
No one other than.
You know what time it is?
It is 7:46. Put your other hand up here. There's your phone. Have a seat.
Turn 140.
140.
There in the home, underneath the place of the vehicle.
That's negative.
Next one.
Yes, sir. Yep.
I don't know if I'll be able to find an attorney like right now.
I mean, it's if you want to continue to try to find an attorney, you're more than welcome to. If not, just say.
I mean, so if I decline the...
I can't offer any legal advice. All I can do is read the implied consent to you.
Okay, so if I decline, I would go to jail, right?
You're going to jail either way.
Yeah. And then, so would I just bond out? I mean, does it...
I can't offer any legal advice. All I can do is read the implied consent.
Okay.
I mean, that's legally, that's all I can do.
Yeah. So, I mean...
Are you finished trying to contact an attorney?
I'm just saying, like, I've smoked marijuana.
Because, I mean, you've got 11 more minutes.
Okay, well, I'm just saying I've smoked marijuana in the past week, but, I mean, it's still going to show up.
Okay, are you going to continue to contact an attempt to contact an attorney?
Yeah.
If not, we're going to continue on.
Yeah.
You can't contact anybody else but an attorney. And if we find out you contacted somebody else, and the phone's going to take them back.
Hello. Hey.
Is that an attorney?
Yeah. So
Is that an attorney?
this is she works with my attorney. So okay, well I got pulled out. Well, I ran out of gas on the Kentucky Bridge, and my car smelled like weed, and they want me to do a blood test, which I haven't smoked weed today at all, but I've smoked weed like about a week ago, and it would still show up in my blood anyway, so...
Is it part of your probation?
No, I'm not on probation at all or anything, so... What? I mean, I can refuse it, but... I mean, do you have Donnie's number, or is there any way I can get a hold of her?
She can get you on Facebook, so that's the way I would get her.
Okay.
On Facebook.
So is her name Donnie Taylor?
Yeah, it's Taylor's office.
Okay.
So, but yeah, as a condition of the probation, that's one of the things you'd have to do if you were still on probation. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, I'm not on probation anymore, so...
Yeah.
But I'll try to get a hold of her. I gotta let you go.
Alright, I'm sorry.
It's okay. How many more minutes do I have?
You have 3 minutes. I'm sorry. 8 minutes. Okay. Need your signature here stating that I did read implied consent to you and that I did give you opportunity to contact your attorney, where it says defendant signature.
Is there any way I can make another call real quick, or?
If it's to an attorney, yes.
Well,
Otherwise, no. Based upon information was previously read to or by you, I'm now requesting that you submit to a test of your blood. Will you now submit to the test?
no.
If you will, initial by the no, that's saying that you do not want, you're refusing to take the test. Sign. Go ahead and slide back in. Give me your phone. Appreciate you, man. I'll hang on to that.
So I can get John to get some more.
Yeah, I might have one in my trunk, but I wouldn't.
That's the last one I had in my drawer.
Oh, yeah.
I've already given both the other ones out.
All right, well, I'm going to take him to the jail. That'd be my hat.
You don't even know how to wear the fucking hat.
I got mine in here.
He got one, too.
Country bumpkin. Have you been wearing it? Yeah.
He's about the only one that wears it. He's a city trooper.
That's because he wants to come over to that soul. He just don't know it.
That's right. I'm sorry?
What time would I be able to bail out?
I have no idea. We don't deal with that side of it. That's all in the jail.
All right.
140 control.
140.
D98 from Methodist and Route 2 County. After I figure out what the hell's dragging under my car.
X-ray.
Clear break.
Go ahead.
Service call by TX. Booking copy.
Is there a certain time that
Is the number in the cab?
now, or we go to
That's affirmative.
Do what?
you guys do a certain time where you get bailed out?
I don't know. It's up to the jail. I don't know anything about that, dude.
Cool.
We're not like Indiana. The sheriff's office doesn't do anything with the jail. All we do is take people to jail. The jail handles all the bonding procedures and all of that.
2-4. Turn on the road now.